Here's one for the Mustang fans, and it is a sweetheart. Check this one out. 1997 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, 20,595 is all in this car at the moment. Of course, underneath the hood, that hand-built 4.6 liter dual overhead cam SVT Cobra engine, paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the front fascia. You can see it has a more modern headlight that has been installed, kind of a high-intensity discharge one. Cobra added up front. Black on black. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll be able to see this thing from every angle. The undersides. Look at the undersides of the car. Engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Cobra wheels, radial tires, BF Goodrich radial tires, by the way. Let's take a look down this passenger side, and you can see the paint is really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. It's black. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, this car is stunning. Of course, bucket seats, leather interior, center console, AM, FM cassette player with CD player down below. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, take a little closer look at that interior. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Flat black or matte black gas door has been added. Coming around to the rear, dual exhaust. Of course, the Cobra wing. And as you can see, that paint has that nice shine and luster all the way around the car. The Mach 460 sound system. And once again, all the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Tell you what, if you like Mustangs, no matter what year, what model, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Let's take a good look at the top of this hood too, because I just want to show you how clean that really is. Again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might have maybe a little spot where a little pebble chip or what have you has been touched up, but overall, this is a head turner. Nicely done. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. So of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and a power seat over here in the driver's side. Control would be at the front. Nice, cushy leather seats in this model too. Leather, nice shape with the headliner. That is good. Rear seats don't hardly look like they've been sat in. Of course, cruise control, tilt column. Rear defog. Stereo is working. Great sounding stereos too. So there you can see no service engine lights, check engine lights, anything like that. All the gauges are working, exact miles, 20,595. It's confirmed with Carfax. No accidents on the Carfax. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds like a stock 97 SVT Cobra. Nice throaty exhaust note. You get on them going down the road. It'll make a little noise. Alright, I'm going to pause this so I can get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. Then like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's a good look at the underside of the hood liner. You can tell this thing has not been driven in inclement weather, no doubt about that. There it is. That big dual overhead cam. 4.6 liter V8. Builders of it, built in pairs. Right there. Hand built for these cars. And it looks stock. Don't see anything real distinct that is standing out underneath there that is not the way it originally would have came. Of course, the batteries have been replaced. Power steering, power brakes, AC, nicely equipped. Fun cars to drive. Comfortable. With some performance. 1997 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra Coupe. Low mile, nice shape. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through the pictures. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1997 Ford Mustang. Nice scoops on the hood. 5-speed manual transmission, white face gauges. The stereo, even capable of cassette. Sounding good. Cassette and CD capability. I've only tested FM, but it sounds good. AC's blowing cold. Very nice acceleration, and I'm only revving it up to 4,000 on the gauge, which isn't that much. We can bring it to 6.5 safely. Let's go into 5th for cruising. Nice little cruising RPM. The battery's charging right in the middle of the gauge. The oil pressure is 2/3 of the way up. Temperature 1/4 of the way up from cold. And the fuel gauge shows 1/4 of a tank. Very comfortable. A little bit of extra cushion for extra comfort in these bucket seats. Looking like real leather seats. Black interior, black exterior. Very nice condition all around. Not seeing anything cracking, anything wearing. There was a steering wheel protector on the steering wheel as well, which keeps it brand new like condition. Brakes are smooth. Clutch feels good. Shifting is easy. Power steering, very effective. All the comforts of the late 90s and an iconic Mustang. Fun to drive car. Check out all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.